Launch.
The dawn of capitalism, when corporations as mighty as nations rule the seas and dominate the world's valuable trade routes. With an iron fist, they forge a path of tyranny and exploitation, igniting a battle for global supremacy. From the Indian Ocean, a flood of exotic goods feed new addictions and fill coffers with coins tainted in blood. And where there is blood, there are predators.
Damned fog! We've lost the Exeter! Captain Rustler will have us hanged! We are meant to be his escorts!
Enough! There's been a battle here!
The British have passed this way!
I hope that's not what remains of the Exeter cargo!
Captaini! Avoid the wreck ahead!
A and D to steer.
Look! A British ship! She's shot through! Easy prey!
Always room for more riches in our hold!
Hold right mouse button to aim your weapon, then press left mouse button to fire. W to hoist the sails and fill them with the wind.
Our fortunes turn! We may yet get the Exeter to St. Anne!
It's the British fleet! What are they? All hands to battle station! Enemy ship!
Captain!
To your battles! Ready! Falling fire!
Keep your head down!
Sir! Sir! Come on! There are barely afloat now! Here comes the flagship! Sink that warship!
Aim for the big prize!
Pirates! Taking us on it! You are solid!
Defying the odds, while smuggling valuable contraband and escorting Captain Rassler's Exeter to a secret pirate den, an ambush by the British Trade Alliance sinks your vessel, leaving you adrift at the mercy of the sea. Skin Tony, next, previous. Tab, continue, F, reset, Z, hide UI, space, select, left mouse button, move head, escape, cancel. Ready to rule the seas.
Look, a survivor! Take my hand. You're not dying today.
Fate's thrown you a twist, friend. Freeman's luck must truly be on your side.
The British and
F, interact, F, invite to group.
Killing us into these cursed shallows.
We survived the battle, and now you arrived to help crew the dhow. I would say our fortune's on the rise, no? There's a certain yearning in your eyes. I've seen the same glint in others before. I'm sure you will steer us true to St. Anne.
To reach Pirate Paradise, we must first know the way.
Here, a logbook we retrieved from the wreck. More than ink and parchment, our fates are revealed in layers and often from plain sight. Perhaps this will help you chart your path forward, friend.
Make yourself useful. Take the tiller before the damn British return. I'll work the sail.
The wind favors the fearless. Let us chase it. Among the scattered survivors, one must surely know the way to St. Anne. Freeman's luck, guide us. She can go even faster. Trim the sails. Land ahead. Destiny's thrown us a line.
We can find help to get out of this place.
Broken flag. Hold, F, interact, F, invite to group. Hold, F. Player off, invite to group, U. F. Embark. F. Embark.
I need someone who can walk steadier than these drug sluggards.
F. Talk.
I told Captain Rassler the ship was as overburdened as a pregnant sow. We may have lost the British in the fog, but also the race against these cursed elements. See now, the Exeter's guts spilled across these shallows, and I'm surrounded by drunken sluggards who believe they are doomed to this hellish rock. And where were you, Captain, while the Exeter was hounded by British frigates? No doubt cowering in your quarters, like the filthy bilge rat you are.
I fought the British fleet and survived. The Exeter's cargo master, you steered the Exeter into the reefs. Not me, space, select, N, chat.
And if you had kept the British off our backs, as per your agreement with Skerlock, we would not be in this shit kettle in the first place. You wish to reach St. Anne? Of course you do. And so do the rest of this drunken lot, sprawled upon their asses. But if we return to the Kingpin empty-handed, he will surely strip us of our titles, if he does not first strip us of our skin. Retrieve what remains of Skerlock's cargo from the shark-infested waters. Only then will I divulge the way to pirate paradise.
St. Anne journey, a pirate's deal. Skerlock's contraband has been lost to the surround.
Good. Now make haste.
Contract accepted, a pirate's deal.
Get to work, sluggards! I'm still in charge here.
Hold, S, disembark.
Wouldn't trust the officer to guide a fish in open.
Hold.
We can hunt these fish for food.
You must strike fast!
Those corpses.
Blue torn sail.
We might have to search them.
Y'all trash AS Elvis player invites you to group. Escape. Co-op rules, tougher enemies. Coordinate to defeat your foes. Y'all trash AS Elvis player has joined your group. Enemies are now tougher and drop more loot. F.
St. Horizon might move the sunrise as the year.
Better hope the pirates don't stab you in the back first.
Look! A broken mast on that island. Could there be survivors?
Death comes for us!
Come at me, please!
Your skill with the spear is impressive! You'll make it out of here alive! You'll see!
This have happened to us. So much blood. So much death.
Tell me you're not part of Wrestler's crew. You are a passenger, like me. Yes. We were 5 in the dhow. After the wreck. Then the sharks came. It happened so fast. Wrestler's crew didn't help us. They even laughed. It is too late for me. But maybe you will walk on the free shores of St. Anne. Go find paradise. I will find mine in the afterlife. The sea wants our blood!
Watch out for those teeth! all that cargo lost to the sea, Skurlock's patrons in New York will not be pleased.
Like Captain Rassler, I will have my own ship one day and get rich trading with the West.
Strike true!
Hands are shaking! That was close!
You wish the way to St. Anne? Get me Skellock's cargo. Thanks for the goods. Skellock may well spare my head, but I cannot say the same for you. After I tell him about the captain who failed to protect his cargo. Find your own way to St. Anne, chum sniffer. I don't owe you a sliver up your ass, especially when mine's on the line. Why don't you ask Captain Rassler? His bloated corpse might know the way. Now fuck off, bilge rat. Still alive, bilge rat.
Freeman's luck indeed. You found a way to St. Anne and a letter bearing Skurlock's mark. The Kingpin will surely want to know what happened to his cargo.
Or John Scarrow. We'll have 3 shots from a flintlock reserved for our heads.
Or just yours, friend. Ha! What's a pirate's life without a little peril and mischief, eh? With the cargo from the Exeter lost, Skurlock will need a daring rogue like yourself to procure new goods for his pirate empire. And so far, your fortune has steered us true. I'm glad we pulled your corpse from the sea, friend. Wrestler is dead, and with him, all prior obligations or duties. You are free to make your own luck now, Captain.
Captain, is it? As long as you don't steer us into the blasted rocks.
We're finally getting out of these cursed atolls. Fortune smiles upon you, Captain. Something tells me we're going to be just fine. I think I might even stick around.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no